British Premium Meats contacted me regarding putting a free-flow frozen mince operation in place, that they didn't want separate machines, so 2 lots of loading. It was important because other machines they had in the past couldn't reach a final grind temperature of -2. They were getting around +1, +2, which doesn't really meet with their requirements because they want to give extra shelf life to the product. And also they wanted something to take out 3 or 4 butchers' labour, manually loading machines, to do away with repetitive strain injury, and also just make the job a lot easier and a lot less staff involved, which pays for itself in the long run. To get an end product of -2, -3, we came up with a design for a whole frozen block flaker, a Lacadis FR300, a flighted belt conveyor which fits underneath the output of the flaker. It feeds the first mixer grinder, which is a heavy-duty Thompson 5000 mixer grinder. It's got a 22 kilowatt motor and a 4 kilowatt mix paddle motor, and that does the first grind and blend at about -10 degrees, -8, through a 10mm plate. And then to get a final blend, to get the right VL, it's Gemini connected into a Thompson 4200 mixer grinder, and it blends and minces out free flow at a temperature of between -1 and -3 degrees. It's really transformed their mince production because they can offer a very cold product with an extra day's shelf life that you wouldn't normally get doing ground meat, and it means that they can take on any amount of orders they want because they've got the right size machines to do extra production should they need it. We future-proof the capacity to do between 50 and 100 tonne a week. Windsor Food Machinery has installed numerous frozen block flakers and mixing and grinding Gemini systems. It's a proven system that works. We can offer it to anyone that's looking to do a high volume of free flow mince and needs to keep the temperature down to -1, -3. And this is just one of the bespoke lines of machinery we can offer our customers.